दोस्तों वेलकम बैक टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल। आज के इस वीडियो में हम IC30 के टॉप 50 क्वेश्चन आंसर को मॉक टेस्ट करके दिखाएंगे ताकि आपको एग्ज़ाम लिखने में आसानी हो। दोस्तों ये जो एग्ज़ाम रहेगा आपको 50 क्वेश्चंस का रहेगा। यहाँ पे आपको 50 क्वेश्चंस को 50 मार्क्स रहेंगे और इनमें आपको दोस्तों मल्टीपल चॉइस का ऑप्शन रहेगा। ठीक है, आप 4 ऑप्शंस दिए जाएंगे आपको, उस 4 ऑप्शंस में जो भी सही आंसर है आपको चूज़ करना पड़ेगा। ठीक है, इसका टाइम ड्यूरेशन रहेगा दोस्तों 60 मिनट्स। 60 मिनट्स में आपको इस एग्ज़ाम्स को ख़त्म करना पड़ेगा। ओके, आज के डेट में अगर आप इस 50 क्वेश्चंस में अगर 18 मार्क्स भी यानी कि करेक्ट 18 क्वेश्चंस को करेक्ट मार्क करोगे तो आप इस एग्ज़ाम में क्वालिफाई कर दोगे दोस्तों। इससे पहले भी हमने बहुत सारे वीडियोस हमने IC38 मॉक टेस्ट पे बनाया है। आप हमारे चैनल को जाके चेक कर सकते हैं दोस्तों, ताकि आपको एग्ज़ाम क्लियर करने में और भी आसानी हो सके। तो चलो दोस्तों हम इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, आइडेंटिफाई द 2 फैक्टर्स दैट नीड टू बी कंसिडर्ड व्हाइल कैलकुलेटिंग ह्यूमन लाइफ वैल्यू HLV। यहाँ पे आपको 4 ऑप्शन दिए गए हैं, आप देख सकते हैं। ऑप्शन ए में है नेट अर्निंग ऑफ द ब्रेड विनर एंड नंबर ऑफ फैमिली मेम्बर्स। ऑप्शन बी में है नेट अर्निंग ऑफ द ब्रेड विनर एंड एनुअल रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट। ऑप्शन सी में है नेट अर्निंग ऑफ द ब्रेड विनर एंड हीज और हर जॉब टाइप। ऑप्शन डी में है नेट अर्निंग ऑफ द ब्रेड विनर एंड इंश्योरेंस परचेस्ड। इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है दोस्तों ऑप्शन बी है, यानी कि नेट अर्निंग ऑफ द ब्रेड विनर एंड द एनुअल रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इज द करेक्ट आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, एनालाइज द फॉलोइंग 2 स्टेटमेंट एंड डिटरमाइन द ट्रू वन। स्टेटमेंट 1, द contingent event occurs certainly in case of general insurance. Statement number 2, the contingent event occurs certainly in case of life insurance. इसमें आपको करेक्ट आंसर है दोस्तों ऑप्शन बी, स्टेटमेंट 2 इज ट्रू। स्टेटमेंट ट्रू मीन्स द कंटिंजेंट इवेंट ऑक्यूर सर्टनली इन केस ऑफ लाइफ इंश्योरेंस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज इनकरेक्ट। यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं आप 4 ऑप्शन दिए गए हैं, इसमें से आपको करेक्ट आंसर चूज करना पड़ेगा। इसका करेक्ट आंसर है दोस्तों ऑप्शन सी, अंडर मैच्योरिटी वी हैव द फंड्स फॉलोइंग फ्रॉम वन सोर्स टू मैनी इज द correct answer. Question number 4, illustrate the computation a person would use to determine the current value of a desired amount for the future. इसका आंसर है दोस्तों ऑप्शन बी, present value of a single amount. Question number 5, with respect to insurance differentiate between contract of assurance and contract of indemnity. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है दोस्तों ऑप्शन सी, under contract of assurance the benefit payable is determined before the event occurs. Question number 6, which one of the following by mutual agreement of the insured and the insurer can act as a mediator and counselor within the terms of reference in case of dispute? Who is the most appropriate option? इसका करेक्ट आंसर है दोस्तों ऑप्शन बी, ombudsman. Question number 7, select the loss covered under Keyman insurance. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है दोस्तों ऑप्शन बी, loss related to the extended period when a key person is unable to work. Question number 8, an applicant seeking an appointment as an insurance agent of the insurer shall submit an application in form dash to the dash of the insurer. Option A is the correct answer, designated official. Question number 9, which one of the following consumer dispute redressal agencies entertain the appeal against the order of any state commission? Option B is the correct answer, National Commission. Question number 10, examine the following option and identify the one which is not credit management decision. Choose the most appropriate option. Option A, investing money in a bank deposit is the correct answer. Question number 11, identify the place of origin of modern day insurance, Lloyd's Coffee House in London. Option C is the correct answer. Question number 12, identify the flip side of a term insurance. Option C is the correct answer, it does not provide any returns on maturity. Question number 13, label the interest that the insured has in the subject matter of life insurance. Choose the most appropriate option, insurable interest. Option C is the correct answer. Question number 14, which one of the following act has the provision for monitoring the control of operation of insurance companies? A, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India is the correct answer. Question number 15, performing an analysis of current income flow and expenditure flow is termed as budgeting. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 16, The Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority was established in the year under the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority Act 1999. Option B, 2000 is the correct answer. Question number 17. Suggest a non-traditional life insurance product. Variable life insurance. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 18. Who is a key man? Who is a key man? Person critical to the business operation. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 19. Which one of the following consumer dispute redressal agencies have the power of a civil court? Option A, District Forum. Option B, State Commission. Option C, National Commission. D, all of the above. D, all of the above is the correct answer. Question number 20. If a customer is aggrieved by an order made by the District Forum, then where can he or she appeal against such order? State Commission is the correct answer. Question number 21. Dash need to be maintained in the agent's report. Choose the most appropriate option. Option A, matter of health, habits and occupation, income and family details is the correct answer. Question number 22. Identify the factor impacting the risk in case of insurance. Moral hazard is the correct answer. Option B. Question number 23. Insurance Act 1938 specify the rules for nomination of insurance policies under Section 39. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 24. Which one of the following is not a contributor towards consumer lifetime value? Option D, speculated is the correct answer. Question number 25. Describe a tangible product. A tangible product referred to the physical objects that can be directly perceived by touch. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 26. Isolate the valid combination type of age proof. Option 1 standard, option 2 non-standard, passport, horoscope, panchayat. Option D is the correct answer. Standard. Question number 27. Many proposals are underwritten and accepted for insurance without calling for a medical examination. This form of underwriting is referred as non-medical underwriting. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 28. Redressal of Public Grievance Rules 1998 created the system of insurance ombudsman. Option C is the correct answer. Question number 29. The premium paid for whole life insurance is dash than the premium paid for term insurance. Higher. Option C is the correct answer. Question number 30. Mr. Poddar has used insulated wiring in his house so as to reduce the chances of damage due to fire. Identify the risk management technique practiced here. Risk reduction and risk control. Option D is the correct answer. Question number 31. Identify the option that can be termed as policy withdrawal. Surrender of the policy in return for acquired surrender value. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 32. Suggest a good time to start the financial planning on receipt of first salary. Option C is the correct answer. Question number 33. In the olden days, Chinese traders used to keep their goods in different boats while selling thought treacherous water analyzes why. C. Chinese traders placed their goods in multiple boats because of provide insurance against total loss. Option C is the correct answer. Question number 34. What is the purpose behind buying insurance? Protection against an uncertainty. Question number 35. Identify the stage of life when an individual will appear his or her long-term savings the most. Post-retirement is the correct answer. Question number 36. Mr. Ramesh is 55 years old and has 5 working years left for retirement. Currently his annual income is rupees 5 lakh and he has purchased a life insurance policy of rupees 15 lakh. If he were to die prematurely in the current year itself, then how much will his family get from life insurance policy? Rupees 15 lakh. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 37. Identify limits of traditional life insurance products. Rate of return is not easy to ascertain. Option D is the correct answer. Question number 38. Identify the product that can be categorized under contingency product. Choose the most appropriate option. Option D, life insurance, is the correct answer. Question number 39. Which one of the following is a central repository of insurance grievance data? Integrated Grievance Management System, IGMS, is the correct answer. Question number 40. Which one of the following statement is correct? Insurance protects the asset from damage. Insurance prevents the losses. Insurance reduces the possibility of loss. Option D. Insurance indemnifies the insured in the event of a loss is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. Question number 41. The principle of indemnities is applicable to general insurance. Question number 42. Mr. Smitha has set up a reserve fund to be used for the repair in case of the house is damaged for some reason. Identify the risk management technique practiced here. Risk financing. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 43. Dash has formed the rule known as Redressal of Public Grievance Rules 1998. Central government. Question number 44. Illustrate the principle of pooling in relation in insurance. A. Gathering the people having similar asset and exposed to similar risk is the correct answer. Question number 45. Name the insurance regulator in India. Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, IRDA is the correct answer. Question number 46. Who bears the mortality risk in case of unit linked insurance policy? Insurer is the correct answer. Question number 47. Which one of the following method of risk management is also known as self-insurance? Risk retention is the correct answer. If a customer is aggrieved by an order made by a state commission, then where can he or she appeal against such order? National Commission. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 49. Who originally proposed the concept of human life value HLV? Professor Hubener. Option D is the correct answer. Question number 50. Identify the component that is not a part of the life insurance business. Speculation is the correct answer. दोस्तों आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं हम 50 आउट ऑफ 50 क्वेश्चंस को विद इन 15 मिनट्स में हमने मार्क किया है. ओके, चलो अब हम सबमिट करते हैं और देखते हैं कि हमारा स्कोर क्या होता है. वेट फॉर आंसर, इट्स लोडिंग. दोस्तों आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं कंग्रेचुलेशंस, यू पास द टेस्ट. टोटल क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्टेड 50 आउट ऑफ 50 हमने करेक्ट मार्क किया है दोस्तों. सो हमारा परसेंटेज हो गया है 100%. नॉट इवन अ सिंगल क्वेश्चन को हमने रॉन्गली मार्क किया है. हमारा जो हमने मार्क किया है हर क्वेश्चन को हमने बहुत सही तरीके से मार्क किया है, सो दैट हमको यहाँ पे 100% स्कोर मिला है. दोस्तों ये वीडियो आपको एग्ज़ाम में आसानी होने के लिए हमने बनाया है. ऐसे ही वीडियोस, बहुत सारे वीडियोस हमने हमारे चैनल पे अपलोड किया हुआ है. आप जाओ और उन वीडियोस को देखो आप एग्ज़ाम को अटेंड करने के पहले, सो दैट आपको एग्ज़ाम आसानी से क्लियर करने में और भी हेल्प हो जाएगा. दोस्तों अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिए. हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. आपको वीडियो कैसा लगा प्लीज़ कमेंट करके बताइए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. थैंक यू दोस्तों.